Okay, this is Ratchaprarop. So we're gonna walk down this street. Victory Monument is that direction, and this is we're gonna be walking towards kind of downtown. So now we're kind of getting into a little bit more built-up area. So we'll just walk this down. I started seeing some. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I started seeing some, kind of saw nothing for a little bit where I was walking. And then now I'm starting to see all these hair salons and massage parlors and boutique restaurant stuff. I saw some things in Japanese. So yeah, so this will be Ratchaprarop. Sorry for my mispronunciations. There's more hotels around here too. So suddenly I'm in this space where there's a little bit more of everything. So, okay. Thailand tuk-tuk. I have been in this area before, and I kind of like seeing more people from India around here. It might be kind of a neighborhood where where more people from India are coming to either get hotels or they immigrate and open up shops. It's like it could be an Indian tailor right here. Yeah. Okay. The Malay Club. Okay. Green spot. Yeah, they look like Japanese tourists right there. Malay Koe. So yeah, it's kind of in a tourist area. Japanese and Indian and Thai. It's a cool space. Karaoke, I think. Started yet? 3 minutes already? I try to keep my videos under. I don't want to go more than 8 minutes at the most. Indian grocery shop. Grocery is spelled very different. Glossary, like glossary. Ram provision store. Another Indian shop. Huh. Pretty cool. So, okay. Shrine right there in the corner there. Mini cats. Huh. That looks kind of cool. Guy up there climbing, and this is a climbing store. That orange building looks pretty cool. So I think this street's gonna lead me right into a market. And the other time I was here, I went to that market and it's a pretty cool spot. So I was kind of looking forward to seeing it again. Anyways. These days when I'm in Bangkok, I'm thinking about, you know, where, if I was to try to get a condo, invest in property, where would I go? So it's kind of in the lens of how I'm looking at things. So I wanted to see this neighborhood again, because it was the first time I saw it, I'm like, oh, that's kind of cool. Like, I think this is a space where you could have a lot of access to a lot of places easily and quickly. And last time I was here, I also saw some guest houses and hostels and hotels and this kind of stuff, travel and tours, Thai boxing, stuff that kind of caters towards tourists. I don't know why that's comforting, but okay, we're at the 6-minute mark, so I'm not going to go too much further. I might just kind of get around the sky and see what's over there. And then I'll probably do another video later with this marketplace that I'm walking towards. Okay, so we'll conclude it at this corner where this chair is at. Here we go. Let's get a conclusion spot right there. Ratchaprarop 10.